my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing Skims. I have always wanted to purchase something from Skims and I just like never did it. So I finally bit the bullet. The boyfriend collection really stood out to me. It's something that I feel like I would be most comfortable in. So I ordered from that. I got the boyfriend boxer marble in an extra large and the boyfriend long sleeve t-shirt in a 2X. So let me just show you guys how this comes. So it comes in a box like this. It says Skims. It comes in this biodegradable bag. I opened it just to kind of see what it looked like. Sorry, I cheated. And then the t-shirt as well. I got the long sleeve tee and the boxer shorts because that's like my normal like attire around the house. So I wanted to get something I knew I would be comfortable in and that I would actually wear and not just for a YouTube video, you know? So I got these little marble, they say marble, white boxer shorts. So cute. And they're so soft. I was actually really surprised by the quality. I know that they make good things, but I have just never really purchased anything from Kim's brands. So I was like, let me try this little boxer short t-shirt thing out. I was kind of scared to do the body shaping stuff just because I don't know, I've seen so many different reviews. Like a lot of people love it and then some people say it doesn't fit. So I just didn't want to take a chance. I wanted to see kind of how their sizing was first before I ordered something like that. So I ordered something easy and I got the boxer shorts. I know they look huge. They're an extra large, but I am more of a plus size girl. I'm sort of in between. I'm more of on the in between side, but I'm considered plus size. So my pants and shorts are usually like extra larges and my tops I usually get in a 1X, but I didn't see a 1X option on her site. I only saw it jumps from extra large to 2X if I'm not mistaken. So I just kind of went on the sizing chart and judged accordingly. So yeah, that's why we got these extra large shorts and they fit. I did try them on yesterday, but I wanted to try them on for you guys. So I got these and then I also got the shirt. So the shirt material is amazing. Oh my goodness. I think it's the same material as the boxers, but it just, I don't know, it feels softer. This is so well made. And I did get it in a 2X, so it's just like big. And so realistically, I probably would have gotten this stuff in a 1X if they had it. But I don't mind like extra big, you know, like comfy clothes. That's like my style right now. That's what I'm feeling. So that's what I got. So I'm gonna try this stuff on for you guys and show you guys what it looks like. So we'll be right back. So I really, really like this. It's so comfortable, so soft. It's just like perfect for wearing around the house, for lounging. I would absolutely get this in the other colors. I think I'm gonna go back and order it in black and like the skin tone color. They didn't have them at the time. They were like sold out, but when they come back in stock, I'll absolutely order more because I'm obsessed. So comfortable. Like I'm loving it. Like super, super, super soft, super comfy for laying on the couch, lounging around. I did this in my living room because my bedroom's not big enough to show you guys like the whole look. By the way, I owe you guys an update on the cool sculpting, which I'll give you soon. But yeah, I love these. Super, super cute and super soft. What do you guys think? I love it. Leave your comments down below. Be nice. If I do order more, of course I'll do more videos, but I highly recommend the boyfriend line. I'm loving it. Highly recommend Skims for you guys. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and leave your comments down below. Let me know what else you guys want to see on here. I'm trying to get up more content. I took a week off last week, so this week we're going to be pushing out content like crazy, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.